Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to perform a hard reset on the Honor 4X and bypass screen protection. At the very beginning, hold down the power key for a few seconds, tap power off, and confirm by tapping OK. Wait until your device is completely switched off, then use the combination of power key and volume up. Hold both keys together for a few seconds. Release both keys as soon as the Honor logo appears on the screen. Scroll down using volume down to wipe data factory reset and confirm with the power key. Scroll down again to yes and confirm with the power key. The phone is formatting data. Now press the power key to reboot system now. The welcome panel appears and you can start activating your phone. There is no pattern or password protection on your phone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and leave a thumbs up under the video.